Today is Wednesday, and y'all already know what that means. New candles at Aldi. Let's check them out. Aldi fan pajama sets. Amazing. I was so excited to see this stuff in the store, and believe it, I wanted to grab everything, y'all. I really did. I wanted to grab every last item that was in the store, but I didn't. I'm gonna wait till they mark some of these items down. If they last, I really don't think they will last, but if they do, your girl gonna grab some more stuff. I really wanted this floor lamp. I think it'd be really good to store some candles on, but for that price point, I'm gonna wait. I'll wait until it's marked down. Now y'all see what this is? The new luxury candles Aldi have this week. Y'all, these candles is Nest dupes. The packaging look just like Nest candles. I'm just saying, y'all. The blends might not be the same, but as far as packaging and the jars, yes, Aldi has done it again. They have duped another brand, Nest, my favorite candle company. I'm just saying, they got them, y'all. And then here is the new candles for the week. The 329 3-wick candles. These are the new ones. I only grabbed 2 because they got so many. I'm sure they'll be on clearance soon, so in a couple of weeks. So I'll wait until then. Really like these little pop-up cards. I bought some last year. They were really nice for the price point. I highly recommend these. I think they're like $2. Super nice. As you see, you can find any style that you're looking for. This is a nice Mother's Day gift, you know, if you want to give a card. The new mimosas. This stuff is so good. As you see, they got pineapple, pomegranate, and then the original, which is orange. This is so good, but for $9, it's a pass for me. You might as well just buy orange juice and champagne and it'll be way cheaper. But as you see, they brought back the favorite wine that everybody liked. Again, it is $4 now. I believe that this sweet strawberry is new. Leave in the comments if this is new or not, but I don't remember seeing this. So I think this is new. Leave that in the comment, let me know. But it's back. If this is your favorite wine, now's the time to grab it. Okay, y'all, I'm back at home. I got my box, my Aldi box. Y'all know I really never bring a bag inside. I always just grab one of their boxes because it's just easier, I guess. I don't know. But this week, they had everything for the Aldi fan, and y'all know I love Aldi. I love their candles. I love a lot of things in Aldi. So when I seen this collection was coming out, I was for it. So here's the first thing. Aldi all day. Aldi all day. This is just a little thing you hang on your purse. You hang it on your purse or your bags that you normally take to Aldi. In the back is where you insert a quarter. So you can always have your quarter on deck. And just FYI, when you put your quarter in here, it's a little bit hard to get out. So yeah, because I already have one. I think the other one I have is like a pineapple, I believe. But yeah, you put the quarter in the back. As you see the little opening part, you put the quarter in there, so you'll always have your quarter ready when you go into the store. This was like $1.50, but I thought it was so cute. That is really cute. So yeah, I grabbed one of those. Like I said, they had the fan week, and y'all know I got candy for Damon. Aldi fan week. The socks. Yes. I actually bought 2 pair. This is the crew socks, and this is the low cut socks. And let's actually open this and see what it looked like. If y'all don't know, I love short socks. So if you ever see me and it look like I don't have socks on, trust and believe, I have on socks. I always wear socks. It's just that I wear the low cut socks or the no show socks all the time. Unless it's super cold. If it's super cold, then your girl gonna put on some long socks. But most of the time, I always have short socks. For some reason, I don't really like my socks to show. I don't know why. But yes, here are the socks. Love it. Let's take it apart. Yes, and around the ankle part, can y'all see that? Let me put my hand in there. Around the ankle part, you see what it says? All day Aldi. Yes, yes, yes. And it has the little Aldi sign on the top of the foot. That is so cute. These were $3.99. Love it. And then this just have Aldi on the foot part. Love it. And then just the Aldi colors. So nice, so nice, so nice. And these are nicely made socks. So yeah, and then I got the long socks. I don't know why, because I really don't wear long socks, but I wanted to get them. Like when I wear some of the other things, like the slides, when I wear the shoes. Okay. And again, this one has Aldi all day. Aldi all day with the Aldi on the front part of it. That's cute. And then these are the blue ones with the Aldi on the foot part with the Aldi color. Love it. Since we're talking about feet, they did have the Aldi slides. So I grabbed a pair of these slides in a size 8 because that's my shoe size. Yes, y'all. More than likely, these will just be some shoes I wear around the house. I will not wear these outside. It's just not my thing. I don't like to wear slides out and about. That's just my thing. So yes, these are really, really nice. Got that. Aldi sleepwear. Yes, and I got a size large. I started to get an extra large because y'all know sometimes with Aldi clothes, they kind of iffy. Sometimes they fit true to size and sometimes they be on the small size. So I decided to get a large. I hope they fit. Someone's kind of telling me to get an extra large, but lately they size have been somewhat on point. So that's why I just went on and got a large. I could kind of do a medium or a large. I'm kind of sort of in that kind of feel. Okay, here is the shorts. Super, super nice. They are so soft, y'all. These are the shorts. The shorts kind of go with these socks. That's the shorts. And then the shirt is a long, dang, there's something on this shirt. The shirt is a long sleeve with Aldi all day, I think going down the arm. Yes, Aldi all day going down the arm of the shirt. So cute. But this shirt looks huge. This thing look big. It is so soft. What is the cotton? Polyester and spandex. So it's nice. What I don't like about the shirt is I don't like the neck part. The neck part seems really, really wide. I don't really like that. But again, it's sleepwear, and then the arm, the wrist of the shirt. I like that. I love when they put a little cuff, not a cuff, but you know, the little finished part on the sleeve. I love that. So again, this was $10. And let's look at the other one. The other one goes with the slippers. So that's why I got that, just to match, I guess. Yes, 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 yes. I'm super happy. So these are the shorts, and they got pockets. Is it pocket? No, it ain't no pockets on there. Okay. Is it stuck together? Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's what the pants look like. The pants are so big. I probably could have did these in a medium. So that's what the pants look like. And then the shirt is a V-neck. Dang, I think I could have got this in a medium. Aldi all day. And then like I said, it goes with these shoes. Yeah. And I don't think I have socks to match it. I don't think none of these socks kind of match it, but you can always wear it, like the white ones or the blue ones. So yeah, the blue ones, these. So yeah, got those things. Super happy to get this. I do feel like these pajama sets will sell out, and the slippers. So if you are an Aldi fan, I highly recommend you go ahead and you just grab some of this stuff, because I do believe it will sell out. And trust, it's gonna be on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay. This stuff is gonna be on all of that. So if you know you don't want to pay those hyped up prices, I recommend you just go ahead and grab you some and hold on to it. If you change your mind about it, you can easily take it back. So yeah, got that. And then y'all know they had some candles. The candles, yes, $4.29 still. Y'all know that price do supposed to go up. I think it's gonna go up to either $4.49 or $4.99. I'm not sure when, but in my area the candles is still $4.29. So I got the Pear Blossom and Citron. Grab that one. This is good. This is a good one, y'all. When I say it's so sweet, this is nice. This one, I like this one, and I should have bought more. This one is really, really nice. A nice sweet candle. Really nice. I don't know if it's gonna stand up to my honey glazed pear cider candle. I'm not sure, but this one is good. And this one does not have any scent notes on the bottom. No scent notes. And it was made in 2022. So yeah, this is a new blend for them. And then the next one I got is sea salt and bergamot. Yeah, sea salt and bergamot. And this is just your typical bergamot candle, spotlight candle, y'all. It's good. And out of these two, this one is strong on cold. So I think that this is going to be a really good throw. You're going to get a really good throw out of this one, hopefully. And we all know these are 3-wick candles. Yes, yes, yes. The wicks look pretty decent. They are long, like always. Let me check this one. Yep. Long, like always. Long wicks. Yellow wax. So yeah, grab those. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, y'all. Aldi came out with these luxury candles. Luxury candles. Y'all, this whole concept, this whole box is a dupe from Nest candles. Yes, yes, yes. But I think the only part that Aldi went wrong at, they should have did different blends. They should have did some spring, summer type of blends. They did a lot of fall like blends. So I'm not sure if these candles are just late. I don't know. But this one is the sugar, mandarin, and cedar. And y'all know cedar is more of a winter scent. You know, a lot of people is not burning cedar in the spring, summer. I will, because I just burn according to how I feel, according to the vibe that I'm trying to create. But these are dupes for Nest, not the scent. I'm not saying the scent, the look of the box, the look of the jar. First, let's talk about the box. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of Nest. Look at Nest, y'all. Look at Aldi. Nest and Aldi. You cannot tell me Aldi know what they doing. They ain't crazy. Look at that. Okay. Let's get to the jar. These are 22-ounce candles. As y'all see, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. 3-wick. I wish they was a little bit more filled, but it's whatever. These are $15. That's the downside of it. $15. So, let me show y'all Nest. Now, this jar doesn't look like the Nest. I mean, does not look like. This one don't look like the Aldi, but y'all already know. This is Nest. See how Nest normally put the name at the bottom? The name right there? Aldi did the same thing. So let me actually show y'all a candle that's similar. The jar is similar to this. This is another Nest candle. Oh, Nest candle smells so good. Look at the jar. I don't even know if y'all can see that. You see the jar? The jar has that same etching. Has the same etching just like the Aldi candle. But you could clearly tell the wax color is so different because Nest use a high quality wax. The wax is so good. As you probably can't even see that. The candle already have like little oils on top. Can you see it? You see that oil from the Nest candle? You see that? That's how good and creamy Nest candle wax is. When I tell you this candle throws so good. Oh my goodness. Love Nest candles. And I didn't mean to turn this into a Nest video because that's not what I'm trying to do. But, and then here is Aldi wax. As you see, it's just a regular wax. But one thing I will say, the wax feels different from these candles. The wax is most definitely a little bit more creamier than these. When you touch it, it most definitely feels really like soft. Like they use a different wax for these candles. So I'm hoping that it throw. I hope this candle throw. But this is the new dupe. This is the new dupe, y'all. Aldi done did it. Y'all already know what Aldi be doing. Aldi dupe everybody. So Aldi has finally duped Nest candles. Let me know in the comments, are you interested in these new Aldi dupes? These Nest dupes? Aldi a mess. Aldi is really kind of messy, y'all. I'm just saying. So leave in the comments, let me know, are you gonna grab one of these Aldi candles, these luxury Aldi candles? Like I said, they are $15. They had 3 of them. So yeah, leave that in the comments. Don't forget to thumbs up. Again, leave comments. Please subscribe. Follow me on all of my social medias. And I will see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.